Hello everybody, welcome back to GW Computer Tutorials. So this you see on your screen is just login form with sky blue background, right? So once I run this code, let me show you its output. This is the output of this code. As you see, it consists by login form and copyright statement. So some programmers are struggling to write or create copyright statement in web page or website, but for you, you are blessed. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create it in a simple way by using just HTML without the need for other languages. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Write your comment in section, and please, if you are new here, it's time to subscribe this channel, to like this video and share it to your colleagues so that also they can access to our amazing lessons. So without spending much more time, let us get started. Let me tell you this thing. When we want to insert the copyright in our web page or website, we need to use a footer tag, right, as a large item on the bottom of our web page. So let us create footer here, footer tag, as you see. This one, yeah, now we need to insert footer tag here, this one, and inside in footer, inside the footer, let us create copyright statement. You can just using paragraph tag P as a paragraph tag. Let us close it, and inside to insert the copyright here, we need to use this specific code. We need to use this and symbol with copy like this, then semicolon like this, right? So once we learn this one, it represents the copyright symbol. For example, once I save this one and learn it, you see this one is what we created, as you see here, this symbol. So what we need to add is just another statement. You can write like a GW Computer Tutorials 2025 like this and save it. So this is the way of how you can insert the copyright statement in your web page. So as you see, once I run this page, or you can come here and refresh our page, now you see now our copyright statement is already inserted, the copyright GW Computer Tutorials. So this is the simple way of how you can insert the copyright statement in your web page or website. And this is the end of our today's lesson. Please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues, and let me see you in the next video.